Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed. Welcome to a new video. Previously we saw the analytics application in Kibana with different features, and today video we'll see how we can ship or start shipping data from our endpoint to Elasticsearch. Before we start doing that, let me remind you very quick how the Elastic Stack components work together. So as we saw previously, that we have the first layer, which is the shipping layer. It's the place where we need to install our bits. Bits is lightweight agent or elastic agent or logstash as well. We can use one of the three to ship the logs and the metrics and all the data to Elasticsearch. Today we will have an example of bit. We will have a winlogbeat. Actually, we have a different kind of bits. We have winlogbit for Windows operation system. We have metric bit if we want to send the metrics. We have audit bit if we want to send the audit logs. So and so on and so forth. We have, for example, the packet bit to send the network data, and so on and so forth. And the Elastic agent, it's like now it's replacing the bits. It's only one agent. We need to install it and just enable the modules. Like if we want to metrics, we enable the metrics, the module. Of metrics, if we want the logs, if we want the network data, and so on and so forth. All right, so first thing first, we need to go to this link. I will put the link in the description of the video. This is like how we install winlogbit. The first thing we need to do is downloading the zip file, or downloading the package of winlogbit and extract it in program files and rename it. And after that, we open PowerShell as administrator and we run the first command to install it. The second step is modifying the winlogbeat.yaml. We need to change two variables there, which is the cloud ID and the cloud authentication. And the last thing, or next, we will keep, for instance, the default configuration of the input. We will send the application security and system data. We will upload the index template by running this command. We will upload the template of the winlogbit index. We will upload as well the default dashboard and the ingest pipeline, and finally we will start winlogbit, and from there we will see our data in the in Kibana. All right, so after downloading the package, let me show you. So we go to SPC, I will go to program files. So as you can see, I already downloaded the package. It's the latest version, which is 8.9. So you click. So the second step is modifying the winlogbit.yaml. So this is the input. We are sending system security, sysman, PowerShell. We are sending this logs. So we can specify, like if we want to give a list of the event IDs that we need to send to Elasticsearch, or we keep it like this. It will send all the system and all the security logs. So for Elastic Cloud, so you need to copy your let's say the ID. When you log into your Elastic Cloud environment, you will be able to find your cloud ID. You copy it, you paste it here. One thing that I want to mention here, you need to respect the YAML syntax. So here we have a space. If you miss it, or if you add an extra space, the YAML will generate an error. For the cloud authentication, this is username and the password that winlogbit need to be able to authenticate in Kibana. So You come here. We saw it previously, but let's do it again. So you go all the way to management, and after that to stack management. You scroll down. You go to, or you come to users. You create your user by giving here the name and the password and confirm, and the role. Also, you can choose. We have beats, admin and system. You can choose to or add them to the privileges of this user, and after that you create your user. Once it's done, once you finish with the creation, you copy the configuration here in the winlogbeat.yaml. You save you save your file. I just want to mention something that I face here in Windows. Sometimes you will not have the permission to modify or to save the modification that you did in the winlogbeat. So you come here, you go to properties, and you go to security settings of the file, and you edit it. You go to the user and give modify and write permission, or you can give full control for this user on this file, which is winlogbeat.yaml. Apply the modification and save. Let me just close it really quick. So the first command. So we need to go to the directory of the winlogbeat. So let's let me do it again. So you come here, you go to your program files, and you go after that to your winlogbeat. Okay, you copy. So you click here, you copy the path. You open your PowerShell as administrator, as you can see here. So you cd to the path. All right. So we have the directory of winlogbeat. Next, we have this command. You can copy paste it. You come here, you hit enter. It will take some or a few seconds to install it, and as you can see here, the status is stopped. The next step, we did it. We modify the file, and also we keep for now the default configuration of the input. Also, you have more optional configuration that you can did. And after that, you can try, or you can test the configuration of your winlogbeat. A second, let me copy it again. Here we go. So this command will test the configuration. As you can see here, the configuration is okay. Just in case you face any issue, try to read the log, and it will give you the reason why it's failing, and you can troubleshoot it from there. The next command is the setup. So you come here, you copy it. So setup, as we said previously, it will upload the default configuration into Kibana. You come here, you run the command, and once you go, one second, once you come here to Elasticsearch, and you come to, one second, let it finish first. Here we go. So everything is okay. Everything is loaded successfully. As you can see, the index template, the load or the dashboard, and the ingest pipeline, everything is okay. The same in case you face something, in case like your user did not have enough permission or something, you can all the time refer to the logs, and you troubleshoot your issue. Once we come, for example, here to dashboards, and we come here to dashboards, and as you can see now, we have the default dashboards that winlogbeat started automatic or uploaded automatically. So the next step is starting the service of winlogbeat. So you can come here as well, and you copy paste the command and you hit enter. So it will take few seconds to start. So if we want to check the services, we can come here and go all the way down. So we will be able to find winlogbeat somewhere here. Yeah, it's running, as you can see. And if we go to Kibana and we go to the discover, you know now, guys, how to change the index pattern. So you scroll down, you have your winlog. So remove this filter from the previous video and you hit enter, and here the data is coming. The same if we go to the dashboards. So we have winlogbeat's dashboard. So we have a bunch of the winlogbeat's dashboards that's configured or uploaded automatically. So here you have the information, all the details is coming. This is the type of the logs that you have. This is the count. So you can go to the other visualization or other dashboards. Also, you can see all of them are ready to use. You can also modify them. You can add something if you want. So this is how we can do for the winlogbeat. Now, the other part or the other type is using Elastic Agent, right? So instead of going with the beats, here we have we can do the integration, or we can do the configuration of the Elastic Agent directly here from Fleet. So you click on the Add Agent. It will give us all the steps that we need to run. So we need to go here. So since it is Windows, we copy it. So it's the same. You come to, let's see, clear. You come to PowerShell and you copy the commands and you hit enter. So it will run all the commands and it will download the necessary packages, and once it's done, we can see the output here from Kibana or from the fleet agent. It will automatically connect here. You don't need to do any manual configuration or any manual download. So here, this command, it will do everything automatically. All right, so let's give a few seconds until it will return back. So let's go back to our Kibana. It's the same here if you want to install it in Linux or Mac or any other platform. So you have the command ready to use, and you can just copy it and you can automatically start your download. So I will pause the video and I will come back right after when it's done. Hello, I'm back again. So after finishing the installation of the Elastic Agent, or as we said, the enrollment of the Elastic Agent, if we go back to the main page, so as we can see here, the enrollment is confirmed and everything is good now. All right, so let's close it from here, and as you can see here, this is our host and it's healthy. The policy is here, everything is here. So if we want to see the logs, we can come to discover. 1 second, so we go to logs, and here we go. So we have our logs are coming from our endpoint. So this is the name of my desktop and all the all the details we have here. So to wrap up, so we saw how to install, or in this video, how to install winlogbeat. Is the same if you want to install any one of the beats, or we have in the second part we saw how to download and install and enroll the Elastic agent. So I hope you like the video and learn something about it. Next video we will cover security.